Differences between Indians and French. In India, we cannot say no. We have to say yes to everything. Even when we want to say no, we say yes.
In France, that's all the country. We say no all the time just because we have to say no.
They know how to say no. Am I right?
Yes, but les champs de lavande sont très beaux en France.
Yes, but.
Us in France, we always complain just by principle. We don't like when it's sunny, we don't like when it's raining. Well, we are never happy.
In India, people complain too, but I don't think they're doing it very seriously. But in France, I think they take it very seriously.
It's important.
It's very important to complain.
That's a game, in fact.
Indian people, we love to talk.
The French, we love that. You know, when we are in a night with friends and we have to say goodbye, we say goodbye, and 30 minutes later we are still there talking. Meetings should be 1 hour, in fact it's 3 hours.
French people can outspeak Indian people. How do you say I love France in French?
J'aime la France, j'aime ses paysages, j'aime ses villes, j'aime ses gens, j'aime sa gastronomie, j'aime son soleil.
I have my video's running out. Indians, we don't plan anything. We hate plans. Everything is a spontaneous decision. We meet our friends spontaneously. We do everything spontaneously. Even when we make a plan, we cancel plans. Whereas the French, they make plans, right?
Oh, we make plans all the time. We make plans when we get up in the morning. We make plans when we eat for lunch. We make plans for work. We always make a plan. Without a plan, we can't do our day.
We love reading. We love stories, fighting stories, thrillers.
You're
everything.
always reading.
Yeah.
French people are always reading. Indian people are always on their phones.
We both eat.
We both love to eat, correct.
We both like to drink.
We both love to drink.
And sing.
Oh yes, sing.
Un jour, une petite châtelaine, enlevée par des romanichels, fut mise dans une chambre malsaine, tout en haut de la rue Shenaz.